Hello, and today I'm at a rather chilly Kirby Commercials on the Alcester Road at Portwell, and I'm pleased to be showing you this 2014 John Deere X155R. This has a 656cc petrol engine and comes with a 42-inch cutting deck. This is our own mower that we've owned from new, and it's quite a nice, I was going to say little thing, but it's not too small. I'll start this video by showing you that 656cc engine. How nice is it to see a basic petrol engine like that? To start it up, simply place your foot there, twist the key, and there it starts straight up. Now I'll turn that off so you can actually hear me. But in terms of explanation, you've got different speed controls, which make it more manageable to drive as you're going around your field or garden. And then also the mower control, as well as the ignition switch. This monitor here displays how many hours it's been in use, and this machine has been in use for 142.6, so 143 hours nearly. The seat is pretty comfortable, and you even get added luxuries such as these dual cup holders, as well as rather nice footrest. As I mentioned, here is that 42-inch adaptable cutting deck, and as you come round you can see there's 4 separate different modes for the mower height. In the back you've got like a collecting bin, which is nice and large, and this really is a great example of a John Deere machine, which is a very popular company here in the UK. This is a great mower, and one that we just fancied showing you on our channel, because it's something a little bit different, and you know here on this channel we like to show you anything wacky and wonderful that comes through our doors. Thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment, share and subscribe.